Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to handle pop-up windows. It's like a alert and we can able to confirm and we can able to promote. This type of alerts how we can this is basically developed by using JavaScript. Okay, that's why we are calling it a JavaScript based pop-up windows. Okay, what exactly this one means? Whenever you click something a button, it will ask you whether confirmation. One is okay, and second one is dismiss. And sometimes it will ask you to enter something and make it as accept. These are three different conditions it will ask you. Okay, how it will look like? See, this is a simple. If you click on OK, first one, you can see there is a pop-up. Only one OK button. If it is click OK, then it will give you the result. Means it will like in real time it will say that it will go for next page. Okay. Here is a confirmation. Like it is ask you whether you want to promote or you want to cancel. OK means we can able to say accept. Cancel means we can able to say for dismiss. Okay, in term of programming wise. Okay, which one you click is okay means it will get for okay. If you cancel means it will give you the cancel. Okay, promote means you can if you it will open one promote. One is cancel like okay and another one is cancel. And also it will ask you for some information. Okay, if you provide something a name or something, you can just click on okay. Then it will give you the same name. In real time, it will like it will go for next page. That is a kind of information. Okay, whether you user is valid username or not, like that it will take as a one pop-up type. Okay, these kind of things how we can able to handle by using Playwright Python. Okay, just on here I'm going to using the same URL, this URL. Okay, after that what we can able to do, first we can able to do for accept, that is called accept. How we can able to write it? First is page dot on is the condition. Okay, this is the condition we have to take. Before taking on, we have to click this particular button. For this, we have to take the XPath or locator, any kind of locator. This is don't have any locator. You can able to see this method is on click. There is a JS alert. The JS alert is presented somewhere into the page. This code place. Okay. And you can able to say here XPath I'm going to creating. Okay. Text equal to in the single quotation I'm going to specify the text box. Okay, value, and just I'm copying this particular one. Okay, page dot locator. I'm specify here a dot a click. Okay, and this particular method will click, but how we can able to handle the click option? Okay, we have one method that is called a dialog. Okay, dialog is the name, it is there. Okay, dialog, the dialog what you can say, which is a pop-up it will open. Okay, that is called as a dialog, which is a pop-up it is open, that is basically a dialog box. Okay, and I'm going to using for the dialog. Okay, in the on condition there's an event we can able to say dialog. In the dialog, after dialog we have to make it one comma and lambda. Okay, in the lambda again you have to use any name of that, or else you can able to use for dialog or dialog itself and make it one comma, and you can able to use for dialog dot accept. This is called accepting. What will happen? We are writing after clicking. So before clicking only we are writing a method, but it will wait the dialog box. Okay, it will check this on page. It will check for the backend. The dialog box is presented or not in a backend place. Okay, by default our playwright will be accept. Okay, but the thing is we have to see whether it will accept properly or not. Okay, if I'm going to use for some timestamp, time dot sleep 5 seconds, because we have to see for some message. Or else if you after clicking this particular button, after OK, it is giving some result here. We can able to validate this particular result itself. See, this page is having for the result one. Okay. We can able to take that path. That is a message. I'm going to use it. Okay. And after that page dot locator, and I'm going to specifying id and dot text. Okay. And after that, what I'm going to do, assert what I can do, message equal to, and if it is equal this particular name, then you can pass it, otherwise you can fail it. Like that, if we are going to say that. Okay, see whether it is going to do it or not. I'm going to make it for alert and enter. You can see. See, alert is accepted, and also the message is coming to it down. And if it is verified, then pass it. It is passed now. Okay, first condition is passed. Then second case. First one, I'm going to make it for comment. Okay, and second case is going to do for, one is confirmation and another one is cancel. If you click this particular one, it will give you the cancellation. If it is click the cancellation, it will comes to cancel message. Okay, we are going to verify the cancel now. Okay, why we are not verifying the OK button means the OK button also it will gives. Okay, and one more thing, if you want to read this particular text also, means we have another option. Okay, that also I'll show you. Okay, now page dot on, and I'm going to use it this entire information. Which one? Yeah, here I'm going to paste it here, but accept place I'm going to make it for dismiss. Okay, dismiss item. Okay, after doing the dismiss, I'm going to do for, I'm going to print that message also, this particular message also I want it. Then how we can able to do it means, just take that entire information. Okay, and just paste it, and here dismiss and all is there, right? Can just remove, and here you can able to make it for print and dialog dot a message. This is the one, it will give you a message to print into the console. Okay, after that what we need to do, sorry, this particular text box is need to be click. My health is not good. Okay, last couple of months it is having completely cough and cold. If something, if you feel bad, okay, don't take that as a like bad way. Okay, uh, see this button is selected. Just I'm going to make it here page dot locator, and I'm going to use for my locator here and dot click. Okay, once it is clicked, that dismiss will happen, and also message also it will print into the console. You can see now. Clicked, and cancel button is coming. Okay, cancel button is coming. As we expected, even message also displayed here. Okay, this is another kind of approach. Okay, and second one, third one is a promote. Promote is nothing but we are going to provide some text into the text box. Okay, how we can able to provide in the text box place? If I click the text box, if I'm going to enter for my name of Lokesh and I'm going to click OK, then it will display here as a name as a Lokesh. Then I want to validate this particular name also after clicking for OK. If I click here and if I'm going to make it for Lokesh, and if I'm going to dismiss, it will not provide any information. It will go for null. Okay. And I'm going to use it for all the information is same. and I will make it for okay, and here I can able to make it for accept. Okay, a message it will be display, and I want to print. See, in the previous so many videos they are going to different approaches, and here I am going to show you very easiest format of sending for information for that particular text box. And just I'm going to use it for here. I'm going to mention in the Lokesh. Okay, and then I'm going to do it for this particular two lines of operation. Going to at the top, and I'm going to mention here. Okay, page dot locator is there. Okay, so it is taking page dot on, and I'm going to typing the dialog again one more time. Dialog, comma lambda, and again dialog colon, and I'm going to use for dialog dot accept. Okay, and the inside the accept I'm going to mention double quotation, there is a Lokesh. Okay, and again page dot allocator, and I need to click for that particular button first. Okay, this is called a confirmation. No, this is a confirmation, and the down I guess this is a promo text box. Okay, I'm going to use it promo text box. Say this box is highlighted, and I'm going to use it for my locator dot click. Okay, now you can see alert will be done. Say Lokesh is presented here. Now success. If you want to validate for error message also, you can able to validate for error message also. There is no problem for that. Okay, that's the simplest format of by using for handling alerts, confirmation alert, and promote alerts. Okay, I hope you understand this video. Please like video, please subscribe my video channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.